If you're looking for a pocket-sized pen with a standard size diameter, this might be a great pick for you. Let's unbox the Ranga Pens fountain pen. We recently got a Ranga Pens shipment and it included a few new colors of this pen collection. Many of you are fans of the ebonite versions of the Ranga fountain pens, and I love those as well, but this time we have some really colorful, vibrant resin versions for you. This first one we're looking at is the pink yellow cream resin. And the swirling patterns in these really do draw the eye. They create unique color combinations for each pen, just depending on the different resin materials used. The Hobby Manu fountain pens do have a threaded cap and a stainless steel Bach nib. And that's another thing that's interesting about this pen that some consider a pocket pen, is that it has a number 6 size nib. These pens use a cartridge converter filling system, and it is compatible with the international standard size ink cartridges and converters, but they also do include a converter. We also got in a blue-pink resin and a multicolor resin. So you can take a look at those here, and you can see just how vivid the coloring is on these, and I'm really enjoying having these around. If you want to see more Ranga Manu fountain pens, check it out at penchalet.com and follow us here at Penchalet. We'll post more unboxings soon, and you'll also catch us sharing how-to videos and tutorials. Thanks for joining us for today's unboxing video.